Okay, we've finally reached Elands Bay. A sweet spot for a surfer up the west coast of South Africa, only about 3 hours drive away from Cape Town City. And no need for a green screen here, just look at the backdrop for that, hey? Oh, you can sit in the surf and wonder about that as you indulge. Look at my friends down there, enjoying a good ride every now and then. It's worth waiting for. It's good to plan your journey in this direction because once you get here, if you have an empty tank, you're not going to get home in a hurry. There is no petrol station. Then again, who's in a hurry to go home in a place like this? Come on, really? If you didn't bring your surfboard with and you wish to learn, just go to the surf shop down the road. There is one in the tiny little town. You're welcome to go and ask them to borrow a board. You notice the guys and girls are wearing protection there. It is very cold. It's the Atlantic Ocean, and it's, worth wearing your wetsuit. The atmosphere among the locals here is very laid back, very relaxed. It's almost rural in a way because the houses on the coast here are, they kind of inhabited, but people are not here all year. It's the best time to be here is when the waves are up, so you've got to work that out for yourself. Of course, there are some very nice Airbnbs around here as well, so you've got to Google that and you'll find some nice places to stay. And there's a brackish freshwater lagoon where you can wash off your salty wetsuit before you go home. And there's the beach car park where you will see Google Doogle parked every now and then this time of year.